Hey guys, what's up? Cece back with another video, and for today's video it's gonna be super exciting because we are doing a little unboxing and review of the Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. Well, transition glasses. So hey girl, hey, as most of you guys know, I like my little tech gadgets, okay? I love my little tech gadgets, and there is something that I've had on my little tech gadget wish list for the longest, and it is the Ray-Ban Meta. What is the exact name of them? The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses is what they are, and I'm just so excited to finally have them in my hands. You guys, have had these for about a week, but I have not been able to film, and I wanted to do a proper unboxing with you, so I have not tried them, ain't looked at them, ain't nothing. So y'all getting a little first look, first review, all of that, and I'm super excited about them. So before we go ahead and get into any more of the video, let's do this unboxing real quick. All right, I have taken the glasses out of the case, and this is what they look like. Are they not so cute? They're so cute. They're so cute. I got these in the style headliner. So I think they have two styles. They have Wayfarer and headliner. I got them in the headliner style. I just thought they looked a lot more classic. And these are also the transition lenses. So you can get them, first of all, you can get them just clear. You can get like the blue light put in them. You can also get your prescription put in them if you do wear traditional glasses. I do not wear glasses, so these are just clear. However, I also wanted some that I can wear outside in the sun. So they do have the transition lenses, which these are, which basically means when you go out and the UV light, it transitions them to shades once the UV light hits them. But when you're inside and you don't need any sun protection, you get the cute clear glasses. And you guys, you can't even tell that there is a camera in these. Oh, you didn't know about it? Y'all, let me go over some of the specs. So these glasses have two cameras, open ear speakers, they have microphones in them, and also AI assistant just all baked all up in these glasses, okay? So you can be out and about filming. You can film up to 3-minute video. It was only 60 seconds for the longest time, but they just did an update. So now you can film up to 3 minutes of video with these glasses, and they just look so inconspicuous. So these glasses are amazing for like the everyday person who just wants to capture some photos hands-free. You don't want to have your phone or a camera on you. Maybe you're traveling, maybe you're hiking, and you don't want to pull out your phone, and you can get a great POV shot of whatever it is you have. Or for the vlogger, let's say you're a vlogger, you're a content creator, you're out and about and you just want to capture some scenes. This is a great POV way to capture some scenes, and they are just so cute. I can't stop looking at myself, y'all. They're so flipping cute, okay? So they also have Meta's AI assistant baked into them. So that means you can say, hey Meta, and you can ask it anything, just like you would ask Google or Alexa or whatever. So you can say, hey Meta, what am I looking at? And it'll tell you what you're looking at. You can say, hey Meta, play my playlist from Spotify, and it'll play your playlist, because there are open air speakers in these glasses, which means basically you can play music from the glasses hands-free without your phone, which is pretty freaking cool. You can also take phone calls and all of that. I'm pretty sure you can FaceTime as well. So obviously you won't be able to see them, but they're going to be able to see you and get like a POV shot. And then you can switch back and forth between the glasses and the phone when you're doing that. So I find that to be so, so cool. So now let's set these bad boys up. All right, so you do have to download, I'm downloading it now, the Meta View app. So this is the app specifically set up for the glasses. You guys, let's get into this. While that's downloading, let's get into this case. This is such a quality case, and it better be, because these glasses were $400. I believe they're $379 for the transition frames, and then for the regular frames, whether you just want sunglasses or clear glasses, they are $299. I will link several options down below if you're interested, but they're good quality. They're really good quality. This case is really good quality, and this doubles as a charging case. So you just put the glasses in here, kind of like your AirPod Pros. You just put the glasses in here and then you can charge them up. I did hear the battery life is not that great, but it's cool. Now, something this doesn't come with is a charging cable, or I don't think any company gives you a brick anymore, but a charging cable. I did expect to have a charging cable for $379 plus tax. However, this does not come with a charging cable, so keep that in mind when you get this. I mean, I think we all have USB-C chargers at this time. That's just kind of the universal standard for everything now. So I think we all have plenty of charging cables, so you can probably find something at home to charge this with. But for that price, I just expect you to include everything I need to use the product in the box. Like if I don't have a charging cable, I have to go out and buy one, which I don't like that. I don't like that. So that's already one con, but I mean, I think the pros are going to outweigh it. So let's get into this app. So that's something. They came dead. So I have them charging up right now, and I am pairing them with my phone. It found them. So this is what the app looks like. We're just going to hit connect. All right, as we're waiting for this thing to pair and update and all of that, let's talk a little bit more about the glasses. So they have up to a 4-hour battery life, which, I mean, I would expect them to be a little better, but maybe future iterations. I think this is the first gen, so maybe future iterations, the battery life will be better, but it has a 4-hour battery life. And then this case is a charging case, like I said, sort of like your AirPod Pros. So when you put it back in the case, it can obviously recharge it. It says it's up to 36 hours with a fully charged case, which I can live with that. I feel like these glasses are going to be great for travel. They're going to be great for, again, the shy vlogger, content creator who's out and about and just wants to capture maybe some good shots, some quick video clips. Now, I do know that it only captures video in vertical mode. So that would be like all of your short form content, like stuff for Instagram or TikTok, if TikTok is still around, but stuff for Instagram and TikTok, YouTube shorts, stuff like that. So if you want to do a long form YouTube video like this, then it does not convert to those dimensions for long form content on YouTube. So you do have to think about that. So depending on what you want to use it for, but I feel like this will be great for just capturing everyday moments around the house. Sometimes it just takes way too long to get your phone out, to find your phone in your purse or whatever it is and capture the content that you want to capture. So if you're just walking and you can just push a button to capture that content, like chef's kiss, right? And then listening to your music. And just asking the Meta AI assistant different questions, that is what really sold me on these glasses. Now, I haven't used them yet, okay? So we still got to see how I use them and how I incorporate them in my everyday life. If you guys want me to update you on this purchase, just let me know, and I definitely will throughout future vlogs. But I'm just so excited about these glasses. Like I said, I've wanted them for a while, and my point of view is going to be from the everyday user. I am a content creator, but I feel like I lean not toward that like tech content creator, but just like an everyday user who wants to capture everyday moments. So that's what my point of view is going to be from when I give my review and overview of these products. So I'm gonna let this setup finish, and then I'll be right back and we'll chat about the glasses. All right, y'all, so while these were setting up and charging, I had to put on a jacket. It is like incredibly cold in my house. I got me some hot coffee. I don't know why it's so cold in my house, but, well, I do know why. It's like 10 degrees and it's snowing, but that's neither here nor there. They're all charged up, so I'm so excited to try them out with you guys. I just want to try them on and try out some of the features that they have because your girl's excited. Okay, so first and foremost, there is this Meta app, and you have to connect the glasses to the app like everything else that has an app. You have to connect the glasses to the app in order for them to work, in order for you to pair them and all of that. So then when you take photos, when you take videos, you can even live stream from these glasses, y'all. But when you take photos and videos and whatever you do, everything is done through the app, and then you can kind of go in and see the photos and videos that you took later on. So let's just put these on. Let me tell you, they are definitely a good quality and a good weight, but they don't feel heavy, if that makes sense. They feel very quality, which they should for the price. And obviously Ray-Ban makes very good products, so we love that. But they don't feel heavy on the, they're making sounds. So you put them on and they make a little sound, I guess, which lets you know that we know that you have these glasses on. So we're just gonna try out a few things, and I'm hoping you can hear, you can probably hear what they're going to say, especially with the mic on. So like I told you, you can give it voice commands because of the AI assist in it. So let's start there. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a camera setup with lights, likely for photography or videography.
Meta on point. Okay. Let's look this way. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a section of a room with clothing, shoes, and makeup.
With clothing, shoes, and makeup. That is on point. Okay. First of all, let's take a photo. You just push this side button, take a photo, and let's see. Oh, and then you get a notification on your phone, photo from your Ray-Ban Metas. And oh my gosh, we love it. Here is the photo. I'll also post it here, but here's the photo right in the gallery. I'm gonna also take a little video. Oh, I just took another photo. Let's take a video. How do you take a video? I think you hold it. All right. Oh, so it does a little ding when it's taking a video. So now it is recording, and you can see, can you see the light? You can see the light going off. So this is what it looks like if you're just like, doo-doo. I'm just gonna walk around. I'm gonna record my surroundings so people do know that you're recording because you can see the light. But I feel like when you're in the sunlight, this will be super inconspicuous, right? Like, no one's gonna know that you're recording. And like I said before, you can record up to 3 minutes with the newest upgrade, or update. So I think that is awesome. Like 60 seconds is cool, but I think being able to record up to 3 minutes is just going to be mind-blowing. And the photo quality is so nice. So I also took this photo of my husband, and then I took this little video, and you can hear me listening to the playback. Can you hear it? Is it blinking? The light blinking on the glasses? Is it super obvious? That's me listening to the playback of my video. Now, I did have it going with my husband. So you can connect your music apps to this. So I was listening to some music and I did have it going with my husband, and he's like, if you have it on like 50% volume, like no one else can really hear the music at all. And the speakers are right here on the side of the glasses, but the sound is so crystal clear. I was unsure about how the sound would be with the speakers like right here, you know, on the side of the glasses and not all the way back here, but the sound is really crystal clear and it sounds like it's in your head. Does that make sense? It sounds like the sound is in your head. Okay, we are going to also take, let's make a phone call. Here it ringing.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, this is just a test phone call. Just wanted to see how it sounded.
Alrighty.
You guys hear him? Do I sound okay?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Like I'm on my AirPods? Can you tell I'm on like the glasses or?
No, it sounds clear.
Oh, we love it. Okay. Okay, that's all I wanted.
Alright.
Bye. So look at that. He said it sounded super clear. So, oh, y'all, we're in the money here, okay? I'm so excited about these glasses. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I think that's it for now, though. My first impression is that I'm going to be wearing these and using these all the time. Like, we're going to have these on all the time because you never know when you might need to take a photo or a video or something like that. And I think these are really just going to up-level my content creation workflow. So this year I'm trying to be really intentional about content creation and just creating for you guys in general, whether it be on Instagram, here on YouTube. And I've been upgrading a lot of my tools, and I really think that this is going to help with the entire workflow of creating for y'all. So if you have any other questions, make sure you leave them down below. But this is just my review of the Meta Headliner Smart glasses, and right now your girl's a fan. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful and informative for you. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them down below. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.